what makes this salad taste really good is the sauce. The sauce is the main character. So it has a nice hint of palm sugar, lime juice, fish sauce, cocorico. Perfect combination. It gives this salad a nice, refreshing taste. ហើយយើងត្រាំ high B ជាមួយទឹកក្តៅបន្តិចមក Soak with hot water 2 stalks of green onion just the white part only យើងប្រើគល់ខ្ទឹមយកតែពណ៌សណា Soak in an ice bath okay and let it soak for a few minutes and I'm going to shred a little bit of carrot ខ្ញុំប្រើការ៉ុតបន្តិច and soak in an ice bath as well and I'm going to shred some green papaya and just soak them in an ice bath as well to preserve the crunch. Okay, I'm going to make the sauce for the dressing. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើទឹកសម្រាប់ញ៉ាំ some garlic ស្ករត្នោត 1/3 កែវបើអត់មានស្ករត្នោតប្រើស្ករសយើងធម្មតាទៅ Okay, 1/3 cup of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, use regular sugar. 1/3 cup. A dash of MSG ប៊ីចេងបន្តិច 1/3 cup of fish sauce ទឹកត្រី1 កែវភាគ3 1/3 cup of cocorico. If you can't find this, use coconut water. ខ្ញុំប្រើទឹកដូង1 កែវភាគ3 A total of 3 lime juice. ទាំងអស់ខ្ញុំដាក់ក្រូចឆ្មា3 Okay, the dressing is all done. Set it aside. Green papaya and carrot is nice and crunchy. Let's wash and rinse. Get the lint that is out. Okay, so I have some shrimp here that I cooked earlier for about a couple minutes, a minute or two. Just gonna slice into half. And some homemade beef floss. Okay, and these are all the ingredients that you need for this green papaya salad. គ្រឿងនេះជាគ្រឿងផ្សំសម្រាប់ញ៉ាំជាមួយល្ហុងនេះណា So I'm going to do 1 serving. Okay,